What is your exercise?
7.4. 7.4. 17.
Exercise
17.4.
17.4. Exercise 17.4. Okay. So, what is your question?
So
Last one. Question number
20.
what is that?
The adjoining figure shows a
adjoining figure showing. Okay, it means there is a cylinder like this. This is the cylinder we have, right? We have a cylinder like this. This and this. This is cylinder, right? This radius, its height. This is, and there is a hemispherical bowl, you can say, over it. It is like this. It is like this, right? So what happens? What it is saying? So cylinder consists of hemispherical top. What happens? What it is asking for? This is. So what dimensions are given? 3 centimeter. So this radius is of 3 centimeter and height is, what is height? 8 centimeter. 8 centimeter. Obviously, so this height will be also of 3 centimeter and total height of the is 8 plus 3 is equal to 11 centimeter, right? This is no. So what we have to find now?
If the model is drawn to be scale of 1:200,
1:200
find
scale. 100 is 1 is equal to 200. Okay, right.
total surface area of solid in pi meter square.
Total surface area is equal to CSA of sphere surface area ना
Yes.
And CSA of hemisphere. Hemisphere. So it becomes total surface area is 2 pi RH plus 2 pi r square. It becomes 2 pi into r is 3 into h is 8 plus 2 pi into r is 3 whole square. So we get how much? 3 times 8 becomes 24, 24 into 2 becomes 48 pi plus 3 times 3 becomes 9, 2 times 9 becomes 18. So 18 pi centimeter square. So how much it will be? 8 plus 8, 16. We get 1. 4 plus 1, 5, 1, 6. 6 pi, 66 pi centimeter square. Right. Now it is saying the scale is given you 1 unit is equal to 200 unit. So 1 unit square is equal to 200 into 200 unit square. Right? So it becomes 66 pi centimeter square is equal to 200. 200 into 200 becomes 40,000. 40,000 into 66 pi centimeter square. So what is your answer? How much it is? 26 lakh? 40,000?
CSA जो 300 pi meter square आ रहा है. मीटर में कर
66 pi.
मीटर स्क्वायर में सर इसको फाइंड करना है.
मीटर स्क्वायर में आ रहा है. Okay. Upon 10,000 it becomes meter square, right? Pi. So we can write it 10,000 meter square. This is, so this 40 and 40 is cancelled and you get 256. No, 264 meter square is CSA, right? When we convert into units, but problem is that we have one more here. that is equal to 1 square is also here. So we will write here plus pi r square. So plus pi r square means pi into 9. So there is 9 pi also added in it. So plus 9 pi, as we have not taken initially this base also. Base will also include, right? So when we include the base, so this is the area of base. This is area of base. So area of base pi r square, 9 pi r square. When you add this, how much you will get? That comes, you know, that comes is 66 pi plus 9 pi 75 pi centimeter square, or we can write 75 pi meter square. So when you have 75 pi meter square, 75, all 4 zeros are gone with this. So when you multiply, then finally you get how much? That is 4 into 75 pi meter square. So 300 pi meter square is the total surface area. It's total surface area. Here is CSA of what I wrote, man. CSA of cylinder. This is cylinder. So CSA of cylinder plus area of circular base. Right? This is CSA of cylinder. We are making and writing sphere. Oh, horrible, man. So this is the first part we have done. Huh? This is cylinder. So cylinder is CSA of cylinder is same, and it is having area of circular base. Cylinder, area of cylinder, CSA of cylinder plus area of circular base of cylinder. That is pi r square. So we get 75 pi centimeter square, and that is on the scale of 1 unit is 1 is to 200. So it is 300 pi meter square. Okay, what is next? You have
Find the volume of the solid in pi liter.
volume. Okay. So this is not 66. This is exactly 75 pi centimeter square, right? It will be. Dang, it is not recorded here. Now total volume is equal to volume of cylinder plus volume of hemisphere. Right? So it is volume of cylinder is pi r square h plus 2 by 3 pi r cube. So it is if I take pi as a common, it becomes 3 square into 8 plus 2 by 3 into 3 cube, right? So it becomes pi bracket 9 9 3 3 times 3 becomes 9 into 8 becomes 72 plus 1 3 is cancelled, there is, so it is 9 times 2 becomes 18. So it is how much? 90 pi centimeter cube. 90 pi centimeter cube, right? अभी क्या इसमें कैसे निकालना है? We have to convert this.
liters.
So 1 centimeter cube, sorry, 1 liter, 1000. Pi value is what given to you?
22.7.
It is not going to be solved. So what is your answer? Otherwise, we can say 1000
72,000 liters.
2000 liters. Oh. 1000 centimeter cube.
Sorry, 7,20,000. 7,20,000.
Liters. The scale is 200. Pi liters is given.
Yes.
Huh? So why not you telling me, yaar? This is the volume, 90 pi centimeter cube. Now it is saying 1 unit is equal to 200 units. So 1 unit centimeter cube, 1 unit cube is equal to to 8, then 6 zeros. Units, right? This much units are there. So 90 pi centimeter cube is equal to 90 into 80 lakhs unit cube, मतलब पाई सेंटीमीटर क्यूब, right? So we have 1000 centimeter cube is equal to 1 liters, right? So 90 into 80 lakh pi centimeter cube is equal to 90 lakh into 90 into 80 lakh upon 1000 pi liters. These three zeros are cancelled out, and this is how much? 72 and 4 zeros liters. So you get 7,20,000 centimeter pi liters. What is your answer?
7,20,000 pi liters.
Pi liters. No? This is how we convert. So volume of cylinder, volume of cylinder plus volume of hemisphere. Solve this. This is get 90 pi. Pi is not going to be solved. So there is a unit conversion is the biggest problem. You get 90 pi centimeters square and you have to convert in parameters. When we 1 unit is equal to 200 units, right? So in that case, when we go for q square, then to 200 into 1 unit square is equal to 240,000 unit square, and when we go for 1 unit cube, then it is 80 lakh unit cube. This is again, we have unit cube. This is in cubes. 1 unit cube is this much, and then 90 pi centimeter cube becomes 90 into 80 lakh pi centimeter cube. Okay, now you have pi. 1000 centimeter pi is equal to 1 liter. So this much pi centimeter is equal to this is. So simple unitary method you will apply here for this. And this is. What is next question you have? What is next question you have? Question number 19.
Yes. A toy is in the shape of right.
Question number 19. A toy
In the shape of right circular.
in the shape of right
Circular cylinder with hemisphere.
circular cylinder
With a hemisphere on one end.
with hemisphere at one end and cone on another.
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
and cone on another end.
The height and radius of cylindrical
Another
part.
Another end. It's very simple question. What is?
The height and radius of cylindrical part are 30.
Okay. You just wait. Means there is a cylinder like this. You know, this is the cylinder. We have a cylinder like this. This is the cylinder we have, right? We have cylinder like this, and this is the radius. This is the radius. This is the radius. Okay. Now tell me, what is?
Height and radius of cylindrical part are 13 centimeter and 5 centimeter.
This is 13 centimeter and this is 5 centimeter. On its one end there is a hemispherical end like this, right? This is having 5 centimeter. So this will also have 5 centimeter. Very nice. And there is a cone. One end there is cone. What is that? What about cone? You know?
The radii of hemisphere and
cone are same, na? So this cone has same radius of 5 centimeter. Next,
calculate the surface area of the toy if the height of the conical part is 12 centimeter.
Conical part is 12 centimeter. This is of 12 centimeter. Okay. So measurements not on scale, right? So if I take this is 5, so this will be 13 centimeter. How? that L is equal to 144 plus 25 root over 169 root over 13 centimeter L. We get that. What we have to find here?
Surface area of the toy at the height of the conical
Oh,
part.
you have to find the surface area of toy. Surface area of toy, right? So we get surface area of toy if I write this 13 centimeter on this side, I have with the mode. So surface area of toy is equal to CSA of cone plus CSA of cylinder plus CSA of hemisphere. Right? So this is how much? Cone is pi RL plus 2 pi RH plus 2 pi R square. Is it? This is total surface area. Now you have taken pi as a common. So R is 5 into 13 plus 2 into 5 into how much? 13 plus 2 into 25. 5 square is 25. You know, this is of 5, this is of 13, this is of 5, sorry, this is of 5, this is of 13, this is of 5, right? So you get this much. So how much it is? Pi bracket 65 plus 130 plus 50, right? So how much you get? $180, 245 pi centimeter square. Hmm? 245 pi
770 centimeter cube.
Good. Pi centimeter cube is square. Square. Okay. So 245 into 22 upon 7 centimeter square. This is 3 times 21, 5 times. So you get 35. You get 35. So 35 into 2 is how much? 35 into 22 centimeter. 35 into 22 centimeter square. So it is how much? It becomes, that is 770 centimeter square. Is this? So 770 centimeter square is total surface area of toy, right? You get, what is your answer?
777.
So this is the kind of, right? This is the toy, and this is how we will get the surface area. These are the formulas, right? Okay, what next you have? 18. Should I have?
Yes.
19. Come to 18. Yeah. Question number 18.
A solid in the form
Question number 18. Yes, a solid.
in the form of right circular cylinder.
Solid in the form of
Right cylinder.
Right
Circular cylinder.
Right
With the hemisphere at
circular
the one end
cylinder and hemisphere
at one end
at one end
and cone
at one end and
cone and another end.
cone on another end.
Their common diameter is 3.5 centimeter.
Another end. Common
Diameter 3.5 centimeter.
common diameter
This
is 3.5
centimeter.
centimeter. Therefore, radius is 3.5 by 2 centimeter. Right. Now
The
what?
height of cylinder and conical portion are 10 centimeter and 6 centimeter.
Okay. So we do the same way. So the same process we have here again. This is we have cylinder, right circular cylinder you have. What is the height of cylinder?
10 centimeter.
Height of cylinder is 10 centimeter and radius is 3.5 by 2 centimeter, and on one end there is hemisphere of radius 3.5. So this is 3.5 by 2 centimeter, and there is a cone, right? We have a cone here What do you have to find now?
Volume of solid.
Same question. This is, and what is the height is given to you of this conical part?
6 centimeter.
6 centimeter. 10 centimeter. Okay. So
Find volume of
find
solid.
Find volume of solid.
Take by 3.14.
Solid. Right. And pi is 3.14. So what it is? Volume of solid. Volume of solid is equal to how much? Volume of solid is equal to volume of hemisphere plus volume of cylinder plus volume of cone. So this will be 2 by 3 pi r cube plus 1 upon pi r square h plus 1 upon 3 pi r square h. 1 upon 3 कर दोगे तो कितना हो जाएगा? ऐड करना नहीं, लेकिन ये नहीं हो पाएगा बिकॉज दोनों का हाइट अलग है. This is height h dash, so we can't add this. So it is 2 by 3 into 22 upon 7 into 3.5 by 2 into 3.5 by 2 into 3.5 by 2, right? Plus what you have to take? 3.15 you have to take. Sorry. You take pi as a common, and then after you take what? You write 2 by 3 into 3.5 by 2 cube plus 3.5 by 2 whole square into h is 10 plus 1 upon 3, that is also 3.5 by 2 whole square into h dash is 6. Is it? Break it off. There you go. How you will solve this? We have to take 3.14. How long is that? You are sure this diameter is 3.5 centimeter?
Yes.
So 2 by 3 into 3.5 into 12.25 upon 8 plus 12.25 upon 4 into 10, is it? Plus 12.25 upon 3 into 4. 3 into 4 into 6, right? Break it off. Now 3.14. 3.5 into 3.5 into 3.5, 42.82, 42.8275, right? 42.875 upon 12 plus this is 122.5 upon 4 plus this is how much? This is 6, no? Hmm? 73.5 upon 12. You get it? This is 3.14 bracket. We have taken 12 as a common. So it is 42.875 plus 3 times 4 becomes 12, 15, 7, 6, 3 plus 73.5, right? Now when you add all these, how much you get? 42.875 plus 367.5 plus 73.5, right? You get 400. You are getting here, that is 483.875 upon 12 centimeter cube. This is all, since we are having volume, so we get centimeter cube, right? And when we divide it by 12, how much you are getting? 40.32.
126.61 centimeter cube. 126.61 centimeter cube.
Again, I not multiplied here 3.14. This is total volume we have. This is the volume we have, right? This is 483 into 3.14. When you multiply these two, you get 1509.69 divided by 12. How much you get? What you told me? 125?
126.
125.8075 centimeter cube, or we can take it approximately 126 centimeter cube. What is it?
126.61 centimeter.
Yeah. This is my answer, sir. Otherwise, that is 483.88 into 3.14, right, divided by 12. 126.69, na? 61. This will be, if you take it, you remove this, take it as a 8, right? And when you multiply this 483.88 into 3.14, then you will get 1500. Then you get 1519.3832 divided by 12, and then you get, when you do this, then you are getting 15.3832 divided by 12, you get 126.61 centimeter cube, right? This is you have. The problem is that the rounding off is very difficult to. So this much here, is it correct?
Yes.
What next you have?
That
Hmm. Oh, this question is over.
yes.
Okay. Now question number 17. Question number 17. What is that?
In the adjoining figure,
Hmm. There is a cylinder, right? Circular.
triangular.
Then this is. Now what are the dimensions given to you?
4 cm.
Hmm?
Conical.
What is radius?
4 cm.
Hmm?
4 centimeter.
4 centimeter. And this height?
Sorry, sir. Height
Huh.
is 4 centimeter.
4 centimeter.
Radius is not given.
Huh? Anyway, cylinder is what?
4 centimeter.
क्या?
So,
This height is 4 centimeter.
yes, sir.
Height of cone is 4 centimeter. Height of cone is 4 centimeter. Fine. Next.
Height of cylinder and cone are each of 4 centimeter.
Acha, this is also 4 centimeter. Fine. Okay.
Their common radius is 7 centimeter.
You are not telling me like. Okay. Both are having 4. This is 7 centimeter. 7 centimeter radius now.
Yes.
So this is also 7 centimeter. Right? So this is how much? This total height is
15.
7 plus 8 is equal to 15 centimeter. Right. What do you have to find?
Find the volume of solid.
Find height of cone. Cone and cylinder is 4 centimeter. Right? So volume of toy is equal to volume of cone plus volume of cylinder plus volume of hemisphere, right? So it is how much? 1 upon 3 pi r square h plus pi r square h plus 2 by 3 pi r 2 by 3 pi r cube. Is it? When you put the values in this, then what happens? 1 by 3 into 22 upon 7 into 49 into 4 plus 22 upon 7 into 49 into 4, is it?
Yes.
Plus 2 by 3 into
3, 4, 3.
2 by 3 into 22 upon 7 into 343, is it? So how much you will get? This is 7, this is 7, this is 49, so this is how much? 28 into 22 upon 3 plus 22 into 28 plus 44 into 49 upon 3, right? This is 3 as a common, so it is how much? So it is how much? Huh? 28 into 22. It is 56 and 56. 616. Is it? Huh? 616 plus 616 into 3. 1848 plus 49 into 44.
2, 1, 5, 6.
2156. Huh? When we add all this, then how much you will get? 616, 848, 2156. Three 620. divided by 3. Huh?
Yes.
Centimeter cube. It will not terminate. Right? When you divide it by 3, then you get 1 times 3 becomes 3, you get 6, 2 times 2 becomes 2 times 3 becomes 6, you get 2, 0.
Sir,
Huh?
1848 है आपने 848 से इसके
What?
4
अच्छा ये this is 1848. So 1848 when we will take, then it will be how much?
$4,610.
462. It is 4620. 4620 divided by 3. 1 times 3 becomes 1, 6. It becomes 5 times 15. 1, 2, 4 times 12, 0. So volume of toy is equal to 1540 centimeter cube. What is your example? What is?
1540 centimeter cube.
It is your solution. ठीक. 1848. ठीक. Now this was 17. You leave 16, come to 15. Question number 15. Question number 15. Huh?
A building in the form of cylinder.
Yeah.
A building in the form of cylinder.
A building in the form of cylinder.
Surmounted by
hemisphere
vaulted dome. Belted dome.
Inverted dome. Hemisphere
And contains
inverted dome, right?
and contains 41 hole
Dome and contains
41 hole 19 upon
41 whole
19 upon 21
meter cube
of air.
Okay.
If the internal diameter of dome is equal to the total height of
diameter of dome is equal to
building, find the height of the building.
Diameter of dome is equal to total height of building.
Yes. Find
Total
the height of
height of building. Then
Find the height of building.
find height of building. Find the height of building. Okay, so we have a cylindrical building like this, right? This is the cylindrical building. And there is a dome. Huh? Tick. This is height we have to find, right? And height of cylinder is
Equal to height of building.
हाँ नहीं तुमने क्या पढ़ा टोटल हाइट ऑफ बिल्डिंग is diameter total height of building. As it is given you, let this is the height of cylinder, right? And this is diameter, so diameter is equal to 2r, and this height is r. This is height of cylindrical part, height of cylindrical part, cylindrical part, cylindrical part. Okay, now total height of the building is given as h. Right? So this is total height of building. That is equal to height of cylindrical part plus height of hemispherical part. Right? So this height, so capital H is equal to height of cylindrical part, means H plus R. Capital H is equal to H plus R, right? Now it is giving you that height of building is diameter of dome 2r. It is given you height of building is equal to diameter of dome which is hemispherical right? Hemispherical. So capital H is equal to, so we can write here H plus R is equal to 2R. So H is equal to 2R minus R. So H is equal to R. So this is H is equal to R. मतलब height and radius are same, right? When height and radius are same, so total volume is 441 whole 19 upon 21 meter cube is equal to 880 upon 21 is equal to pi r square h plus 2 by 3 pi r cube, right? So here you can write 880 upon 21 is equal to 22 upon 7 bracket h is equal to r square. So you can write h cube plus 2 by 3 h cube, right? This is 40, this is 3. So now you have 40 upon 3 is equal to, this is 5 h cube upon 3. So 3 is 3 gone, it is 8 times. So h cube is equal to 8. So taking cube root both sides, so we get h is equal to 2 meter. And total height of building total height of building is equal to h is equal to h plus r. Where r is equal to h is equal to 2 meter. So we can write h is equal to 2 plus 2 meter becomes 4 meter. So this is the building of, this is the height of, total height of building. So we get total height of building is, this is not required here. There's all these things. So total height of building is equal to h is equal to 2r is equal to 2h is equal to 4 meter, where h is equal to r is equal to 2 meter. Then what do you understand? Nothing you understand.